Hey guys, welcome back to another Wristwatch Wednesday. Today we have a unique watch. It is an Ed Hardy, there's a scratch right there, but this is an Ed Hardy wideband genuine leather watch. And just to give you an idea of the band size, that's about 45 millimeters wide. So that's a big band. This is obviously days before smartwatches. It's really nice leather. The tiger on the dial, the crystals signifying the 15-minute marks. Not a bad watch. Date function, just unique. I've got this one for sale currently, so it's gonna hopefully be out the door soon. But yeah, I guess this is what, probably 90s, early 2000s, the days before the smart watches. Let's get some specs on the case. This is a large watch. Again, that's about 45 millimeters. The lug width on it is about 22, and then lug to lug is about 54. And here's what it looks like on the wrist. I have a 7¼ inch wrist. So it is a large cuff type band. Looks pretty good. Kind of reminiscent of some 1970s type watches. Well, anyway, that's all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching another Wristwatch Wednesday. Let me know what you know about this watch, and if you had one and you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.